the washing machine destruction community. There's a whole community dedicated to throwing bricks in washing machines. Well, yeah, it's not a community, though. It's just a little trend. I know exactly what you're talking about. That was pretty fast. That was probably like a 300 words per minute type right there. That was right on the money. It's just a trend. It's not like a whole community.
Not gonna let that spoil the party. Something a little heavier this time.
Thanks to the resub 𝗖𝗵𝗿𝗀𝗶𝗲𝘀𝗀𝘀, Diet Clorox, Tony, and Sir Dan. Good name, 𝗖𝗵𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗀. Yeah, this is a classic. It's not like a whole community though. There's just some people that do this sometimes. Thanks to resub Timbo, and resub Tyrant, Jamie, Formalax, and the Prime Bucket, and Greybeard. Thanks to resub Bean. Prime Reek. It really is impressive how fast throwing a brick in a washing machine gets it. It's like it was made for it. Thanks to resub Aether, Wallfrog, Smooth Buns, and the Prime Fat, and the Tier 1 Obsolete Chorus. Thanks for this, Professor. The Battlefield trailer was cool. I liked it. I don't really understand how it's still spinning. There's nothing left. Oh, there it is. Oh, there she goes. It's like a chain chomp from Mario. Oh god, it's loose! It is determined to clean. Thanks to Prime Mickey, Blue Grape, wow, this is the name, Tom Hanks officially, Anstad, and Spice. Yeah. It's just a trend though. It's not like a whole community, like a fetish or something. Yeah, I know about the Dream stuff. I actually thought Dream's song was pretty catchy. I like that old school style shit. I thought it was good. Not a huge fan of the animation, but that's just not really my style. I mean, I thought it was fine. Thanks to the resub Cryptid and the bits Donkey. No, washing machine destruction is not a fucking fetish. It's just a trend. And it's a very good trend, to be honest. Like, it's always fun to watch. The action never stops when you put a brick in a washing machine. Thanks for resub Cole. That sounds pretty good, Donkey. Thanks to the resub 𝗖𝗵𝗿𝗀𝗶𝗲𝗀𝗀 and Big Gulp. That's better. Thanks to resub Jermaine. Yeah, someone actually just sent that to me, Wheel. Thanks for 𝗖𝗵𝗿𝗶𝗲𝗀. If it's not a fetish, then why am I full chub right now? I mean, I'm not your urologist, man. I don't know. I can just tell you, I don't think it's a fetish. It's just fun to watch a washing machine commit seppuku. Thanks to Prime Derplore and the resub MoistCr1TiKaL. Hey, good to see ya. Hope you had a good trip. Thanks to Prime Real Old Billy. Yep, I've seen all of Cooking with Orders. These are some 4 eyes. This one's really going nuts. I feel like it's gonna rip open a portal through time. Holy shit. Now that it's free from its cage, it's full throttle. Oh god! What a shot from whoever threw that in there. Man just knocked down a 3-pointer there. Wow. That was good! Oh! Thanks to 𝗖𝗵𝗿𝗶𝗲𝗀𝗶𝗃, and the 50 Gifties Dirty Mouse. Thank you for the huge gift subs. Whoops. Thank you, Dirty Mouse. God damn. And I know, Savior, I've actually seen that.